Well, got the shed open, got some paths cleared. Now trying to get big old Blue out. This is going to be quite the process. I'm right at the cusp of our steepest part of the hill, and that's as far as I got yesterday. So I got a lot of shoveling, and I'm going to use my traction boards and whatever else. I mean, I only need to go about 40-50 feet and then I'm on top. But 22 inches of snow, yeah, it's going to be fun. So this is the before, and hopefully soon I will show you the, well, the after. Okay, been working on this, Brenda and I, for well over an hour. Show you what we got going on here. All right, so I've got some boards that I milled out a few weeks ago as some traction boards. We have shoveled all the way up to here. So my plan is, I'm in 4 low now, and my plan is hopefully with enough momentum I can just get into this flat right here, and then maybe have Bob or Mike come down with their Kubota. At least they can get up and around me now. That's the plan in theory. We have shoveled all the way down to the dirt, and then I have actual traction boards right here on both sides. So there you have it. Hopefully this is a one and done. I just need to get up this little rise here, and at least the truck will be out of the middle of the driveway. So, well, only one thing left to do. Fire up big old Blue and punch it. One and done!
What in the world? Oh, that's insane! That's sick! Look at that! The snow is up to his... How are you gonna get out?
You're gonna shovel.
Alright, I got work to do. He can't open the door! Shazam! Oh, my Lanta.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
It has stopped snowing. So excited. I just had some lunch and I just realized I have a game camera set up on a tree over the hill, and I need to get this off the tree before we head south after the holidays. So I am going to trudge down there. I'm going to take you along because, well, I think it could be fun. Maybe. We'll see. But I have to go get that camera, so let's go get it. Well, here we go. Over the edge. Through the woods. Ugh. Wow. That is some serious snow. Yeah, there it is. All right. Well, I'm just up the road from our place. I walked because no one is driving. Even our main road, I don't see any tracks on it, or I should say one set of tracks. But the cabin you see there in the background, a friend of ours, Keith, and he wanted me to come up and check. We got single-digit temperatures coming, and he was hoping to make it up next week. He lives in Portland, I believe. But with these conditions, he doesn't know if he's going to make it or not. So I went in there and built a big fire. And Brenda and I might stay there a couple hours and just keep that cabin warm the next couple days to make sure pipes don't freeze until he can get up here, if he can. Things are pretty much shut down. I mean, if you don't have four-wheel drive and chains all the way around, like I said, I've only seen one truck all day today. So, yeah, fun stuff. So this is our this is our main road. You can see not very wide and not much traffic. There's the guy with the chains all the way around. Like I said, nobody's getting around except by foot. And here's our upper lot on our property, future site of our garden. It's kind of funny to think of that right now. But yeah, this is another flat right above ours where our trailers and truck are. Right over there, this area here will be a garden. Pretty light and fluffy. It's pretty dry. Very thankful for that. Trying to look on the bright side. All right, day 2 of Snowmageddon. Just digging out. I'm trying to get the truck turned around, and you can see it's a lot of snow. I got some neighbors coming down, hopefully with their tractor today or tomorrow. Everyone that actually has power here that's not off-grid, they are without power. So he's trying to figure out how to get his generator hooked up to his house for his fridge and freezers and stuff. You can hear the generator running in the background. I'm just charging our batteries. It's supposed to be get down to 10 tonight. So this is what I've been working on the last couple hours. Brenda's been packing the Jayco so we can hopefully get out of here in a couple days or week when we can. But again, I'm just shoveling so I can at least get the truck kind of out of the way when these guys come, hopefully with their tractor, if they can make it up. But yeah, fun stuff. What we've been hearing is this 22 plus inches of snow in 24 hours hasn't happened here in about 20 plus years. So this is abnormal, and we just happen to be here to witness it. Look who showed up. Bob, the Amazing, with his Kubota. And he is super kind enough to try to bust us out of here. 24 inches or so. It's amazing what that little Kubota can do. Oh, such a good feeling. Oh, check it out. We have maneuver ability. Bob, you're awesome.
Okay, look at all the snow on top of our shelter. Rich has come up with this plan. It's actually working pretty good. We went up to our neighbors, Joe and Sherry, and got, what do we got here, babe? Tell the people what we're doing. You're doing.
Got this fine, made in America, electrical PVC pipe, 20 feet. And I've got a milk crate that I used a couple big 3-inch hose clamps and clamped it to that. And what I'm trying to do is alleviate some of the weight right off the edge, because down in the valley on Facebook someone posted one of these that collapsed. We don't know if it was the same maker. We don't really know anything, but it looked very similar. So this is my idea. It seems to be working, taking it off the edge.
Show us what you're doing, babe.
All right.
As you can see, there's a bit of a ledge up there that the snow is kind of shifted down. So he's really just shaving off that ledge. And hopefully it's enough. It's a lot of work. But it's a lot of weight. So I'm super thankful he's figured out a way to work through this problem. Woo!
Well, LaBelle Creek Camp is all packed up. The ORV is completely winterized. We are hooked up to the Jayco, and we're getting ready to head for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then after that, we're going to head down to the southwest. We've always planned on heading down there. Not quite this early, though, with this big snowfall. This morning at 8 o'clock, it was 14 degrees, and the cold is going to continue. We just can't do a lot here on our property in these conditions.
Yeah, to say this has been a really bizarre fall, early winter is beyond.
I think we had a week, 10 days of actual fall.
Yeah.
And then over 25 inches of snow, single digits.
It's been absolutely crazy. We actually, when we took our little trip to the Wickeninish Inn and we came back, we had all these big plans of things we intended to do before we left here.
They say on average we only get like 40 to maybe 50 inches of snow. So we got half the snow amount an entire year in 24 hours. We have one last thing to do, and that is go down our driveway with the Jayco, and it's plowed, but it's very narrow, and
it's gonna be
I
interesting.
got it chained up, the truck. I'm going to be in 4 low and literally going probably less than walking speed.
You know that song, Creepin'? That's what we're going to be doing.
We're going to be, our driveway's all said and done. It's probably about 125, 150 yards long. So that is our next thing that we need to do before we get out of here. And hopefully that goes well.
Okay, we are in position and beginning the creepy crawl, slow move out of here down our teeny tiny narrow driveway, which we're so thankful to have. Bob came down from about a mile up the road and plowed us out. Thank God for him. He saved us big time. So we're just gonna see how this goes right now. Wow, it's a tight fit. I don't know if you can see it. All right, let's see how we do on this corner here. So far, so good, hon. Looks good. Sweet! We made it out! Woohoo! See you later, LaBelle Creek Camp. Until the spring.